the portfolio manager of the Global Share Fund. I've been at Perpetual for 7 years.
My average day normally starts with a review of news from overnight, as well as company results often, then followed by communicating important messages within the team.
Then we have a morning meeting where the analysts and I sort of discuss ideas and what's gone on in the companies we're looking at.
And then it's normally a day of following up on new ideas and existing ideas, often involving a lot of reading, but also speaking with companies and other analysts following a particular sector that I might be interested in.
It's either a continuation of research on stocks that I'm already covering or research on new stocks.
There is no average day. I think each day is different.
Probably long. When the Australian market closes, the European market is opening, and at the end of a day in Europe, the US market is just beginning. So it never really ends. I think one of the advantages of being based in Sydney, however, is that the style of investment of Perpetual is such that keeps us out of the day-to-day noise and lets us focus on quality and value. We cover global stocks exactly the same way that Perpetual has been covering domestic stocks for decades. The same focus on balance sheet strength, recurring earnings, quality assets, quality business, and quality management.
So to access global companies, I typically do 3 or 4 international trips a year. Typically these anchor on conferences, which are a great opportunity to see a lot of companies at once. I also do a lot of calls each day, so US companies in the morning, Asia during the day, Europe at night. I often try to talk to companies, their competitors, analysts that know them well, as well as industry experts to really cover off on the issues of that company.
We also get great access to industry conferences through the investment bank access. And increasingly we're seeing more and more of the international corporates coming through Australia, and when they do come to Sydney, Perpetual is one of the companies they want to see.
So typically I'm looking for high quality companies where there's been some short-term factor that means that the stock's being mispriced and misunderstood. Typically I'm looking for companies where this will be closed out over the next couple of years.
There are good companies and bad companies, and what we're looking for are good companies that have been mispriced for short-term reasons.
What I like most about working at Perpetual is the great culture that we have at Perpetual.
What I like most about working at Perpetual is really the people I get to work with.
We have great people who truly enjoy working here, and they're passionate about what they do.
Everybody wants to succeed and perform, but also, we've got a culture where, everyone's collegiate and, is, in high spirits and wants to enjoy the process of investing.